I'm Angelo Di Manimtim from San Sebastian College, Recoletos, Manila.
Hi, I'm Hazelan Estoy from San Sebastian College, Recoletos, Manila.
Static or dynamic stretching?
Dynamic stretching.
Same po, dynamic.
Stunt or tumble?
Tumble.
Stunt.
Backflip or split?
Backflip.
Split po.
Jumps or kicks?
Jump.
Jumps po.
Mas prefer mo ba ang partner stunt or pyramid?
Pyramid for me.
Pyramid na lang din po.
Warm up or cool-down?
Warm up.
Warm up din po.
Mas prefer mo ba ang practice room or uniform?
Uniform siya.
Practice clothes.
Face paint po or props?
Props.
Props din po.
Hello guys, we are inviting you all to support and watch us this coming NCAA Season 99 Cheerleading Competition. And I hope na ma-amaze namin kayo and support niyo lang po kami.
Bravo Baste!